golden voice. Y ahora, otra canción desde el Dos Mano Hermano, si Mr. Errol and Julie Luces. Palakpakan kita kanila. Thank you very much, Errol and Julie Luces. And now, we were able to get entertained with the songs. Let us now listen to the messages from our visitors. May I now proudly call on Ma'am Indalin Shu, the SWD in charge del Field Office 4. Message. Sound.
Good afternoon to all of us, especially to our konsehal, si Eddie Saavedra, and also to the president of our different barangays who are here with us this afternoon, and especially to our president of Tubungan Senior Citizen, who is always very active, no? He oftentimes visit me in the office for some mga activities in Tubungan regarding senior citizens, especially yung social pension program. He is part of the yung tan-recommend kumigo KNL mga qualified to be one of the beneficiary. And lately, he has recommended yung si Concepcion, San Luis. So, nag-grant na yun, naka-receive siya ng yung 3 months na good for 3 months, benefits niya 1,005. So, hopefully, pakita po coming slots from the DSWD or the other mga senior citizens aging 80 years and above, that so that they could avail of the service, no? Pero este año en prinsipya, ang age was lowered down to 77 years old. So, yung mga gusto ko lang kasi i-emphasize on this program, no? Kasi mo to mga senior citizens can visit kumigo na office inquiring about the social pension program. So yung mga hindi naka-receive pa ng pension, kasi yung list of names are names coming from Manila Central Office and SWD. So if ever hindi kayo nakapasok ang inyong ngalan, ang pangalan, so we will just wait. Anyway, continuous man Tagalay Noble and DSWD Central Office or from Manila. So baka who knows, baka by next year kasali na yung AE1 from you here now. So hopefully magkakaroon din kayo ng the same benefits. So aside from that, kiri ka yung saluda kung naliaton ang iara mga Reyna, iatong mga lola, lolo aki, who maskin in one way or another, ya pwede ka sila iara man witness or man share the ila obligation, especially Yuletide season kita ara, syempre yung love to one another, nasa twilight zone niya man steady, so make the most out of it, no? So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Todo yada yali kaya pwede. So again, hindi na ako magpahaba ng kwento. Thank you very much. May salute uli ako ustedes kahit yung pwede kat sila kasi this kind of activity. It's a rare kind of activity for the senior citizens in Tukungan. So congratulate natin uli yung ating mga sarili.